Corsair has introduced the world's first bendable computer monitor with its Xenon Flex 45WQHD240, a revolutionary design that merges the benefits of both flat and curved screens. This 45-inch ultra-wide monitor, with a 21:9 aspect ratio, provides gamers with unparalleled flexibility, allowing them to switch between a flat display for productivity and an immersive curved experience for gaming, bending up to an 800R radius. This innovation eliminates the dilemma of choosing between the two panel types, making it one of the most versatile gaming monitors available today. With a 240Hz refresh rate, adaptive sync, HDR capabilities, and a wide color gamut, it is designed for serious gamers seeking top-tier performance. As an OLED display, the Xenon Flex delivers remarkable visual quality, boasting incredible contrast and vibrant colors. Its dynamic range mirrors the best OLED screens, covering nearly 100% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, and with a few tweaks, it can reach reference-level accuracy. Although OLED screens aren't typically known for their brightness, the Flex shines with its ability to hit up to 1000 nits in HDR mode for smaller highlights, while its SDR brightness sits at a solid 437 nits during tests, making it an impressive display for both gaming and content consumption. The Xenon Flex also earns gaming credibility with its 240Hz refresh rate and adaptive sync support, certified by both NVIDIA and AMD for G-Sync and FreeSync Premium, operating between 48 and 240 Hz. What truly stands out is its minimal input lag, making it quicker than other 240 Hz monitors on the market, perfect for competitive gaming. But the key feature remains the manual bending capability, achieved with two side handles that allow users to adjust the screen to their preferred curvature, from flat to as tight as 800R, creating an immersive experience unlike any other monitor. Corsair guarantees durability with a life cycle of 10,000 bends and a 3-year warranty covering 0 dead pixels and burn-in. In terms of build quality, the Xenon Flex exudes premium craftsmanship. Its solid metal base provides great stability, and the design includes a handy tilting mechanism that allows a range from 7 degrees forward to 15 degrees back. However, it lacks swivel or height adjustments, which could be a minor inconvenience for some users. The monitor's stand and panel are one complete unit, with front-facing controls for input selection, power, and menu navigation. It also includes 2 USB ports and a headphone jack for added convenience, while the back offers modern connectivity options like HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4, and USB-C inputs. The only drawback may be the low screen height, but overall, Corsair's Xenon Flex stands as a groundbreaking achievement in monitor design, offering an unparalleled combination of innovation, performance, and flexibility. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to Daily Technologies for more videos like this one.